Hi! Welcome to Platform Mastery, your go-to page to master your favorite tech platform. For today's video, I will show you how to use BlueWillow AI. BlueWillow AI is an AI art generator allowing anyone to easily create beautiful and stunning artwork with just a few clicks. Before this, we should already sign up for our individual BlueWillow AI accounts. To start, open your web browser and go to BlueWillow AI. Click on Tap Now for free. And we will be routed to this Discord window. Just simply click on Accept Invite, and then here we are on the dashboard of BlueWillow. So let's make a little tour around here. In the left side of your screen is our Discord app logo, where we can contact our friends online that is also a Discord user. And here is our list of servers, which I named Platform Mastery. And this is our BlueWillow AI, where we can generate beautiful images later. In this cross button right here is where we can add a server. Here's our discovery icon, where we can see different Discord communities of BlueWillow. And on this icon right here is where we can download the Discord app. To start generating our images, click BlueWillow AI icon. You can choose here the different channel of Rookie, where you can join the different chat-like rooms, where we can see here the different images being generated by different users, continuously appearing on this room. Okay, to start, first thing we should do is in the space right here, type in and input the description of the image that you want to produce. Let's say Wonder Woman in a fairy dress sitting on a cup, and tap Enter on your keyboard. We will wait for a few moments here for our image. And here it is. We will know that it is ours if we saw the name of our server here. Tap on the image to have a better look. Let's say we would like to look on the first image here. Just click on UI and VI, and we'll wait again for a few moments. And it's here. And that is how to use BlueWillow AI. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please click on the notification bell and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!